Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram feed layout. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Instagram here, and if I want to change the feed layout or the crown, go to a chronological order of that Instagram feed. It's easy to do so, but it's kind of hidden in the Instagram app. So you can see at the very top left here is the Instagram profile icon or the logo. I can tap on that, and now all of a sudden it gives me a little drop-down menu that was previously hidden. Now I can hit following and it will give me the Instagram feed layout that just has the accounts that I'm following in chronological order. So it doesn't have any ads, no suggested posts or anything like that. It just has all of those posts from different following accounts that I'm following. The other thing that we can do here is we can go to favorites. And if there are any certain profiles that you favorited, then it will only show those favorited profiles, so you can limit what you're seeing. Say, if you follow thousands and thousands of people on Instagram, you can select maybe say a dozen or a couple dozen that you really want to see, and you can change the layout so that you only see those following accounts. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.